Good morning, and welcome to your daily dose of positivity. Today, we invite you to embrace the new day with a heart full of hope and a mind brimming with positivity. As the sun rises, let's take a moment to center ourselves and set our intentions for the day ahead. Find a quiet and comfortable space, take a deep breath in, and exhale all the tensions of yesterday. Let's begin with our morning affirmations. These words hold the power to shape your day, to remind you of your strength, and to guide you towards your goals. Repeat after me. I am ready to embrace this new day with an open heart and a positive attitude. I am grateful for the opportunities this day brings. I am open to all the blessings that come my way. I trust myself and my decisions. I have the strength to overcome any challenges that may arise. I am the architect of my life. I have the power to create the life I desire. I radiate positivity, and I attract positivity into my life. Good things come my way, and I am open to receiving them. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am in harmony with the universe. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Life is a gift, and I am grateful for every moment. I find joy in the simple things and appreciate the beauty of the world around me. I am filled with boundless energy and enthusiasm for the day ahead. I am a magnet for success and abundance. Prosperity flows to me effortlessly. I am surrounded by love, and I radiate love to those around me. I am a source of inspiration to others, and I inspire positive change in the world. I am resilient and capable of handling any challenges that come my way. I am at peace with my past, focused on the present, and excited for the future. I am open to new experiences and opportunities that come my way. I am a unique and valuable individual, and I embrace my individuality. I am kind and compassionate to myself and others. I am patient and trust in the timing of my life's journey. I am confident in my abilities and approach each task with unwavering self-assurance. I am in perfect health, and my body radiates vitality and strength. I am a loving, supportive, and positive influence on those I encounter. I am the author of my own story, and today is a new chapter filled with endless possibilities. Take one more deep breath and open your eyes. You are now filled with positivity and ready to embrace this new day with confidence and gratitude. Thank you for taking the time to nourish your spirit with these morning affirmations. Carry this positivity with you and let it guide you through the day. Remember, you are capable, you are strong, and you are deserving of all the good that life has to offer.